Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick and simple guide on how to block someone on Telegram web using your PC, especially with the latest update. If you've ever found yourself in a chat that you want to cut ties with, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, the very first step is to open Telegram web. You can do this by navigating to the Telegram website in your preferred web browser. Once you're on the site, log in with your credentials if you haven't already. This will take you to your Telegram interface, where you can see all your chats. Now that you're in, the next step is to find the number or the chat of the person you want to block. You can scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the contact. Once you've found the chat, you're just a few clicks away from blocking that user. Next, look for the 3 dots in the top right corner of the chat window. These dots are often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several options for managing your chat. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Block User. Go ahead and click on that. You might be prompted to confirm your decision to block the user. Don't worry, this is just to make sure you really want to take this step. Once you confirm, the user will be blocked, and you won't receive any more messages from them, and that's it. You've successfully blocked someone on Telegram web. It's a straightforward process that gives you control over your chat experience. Remember, blocking someone on Telegram doesn't remove the chat from your history, but it does prevent any further communication from that user. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Telegram and other platforms. Until next time, happy chatting.